Hey everyone, so I have something exciting to share, but before we do, take a listen. You hear that? This is one of the reasons the Happy Planner is one of my favorite planners. I love that the pages can detach from the planner. You can put them back and continue planning your spread. It makes it so much easier to write. I can't tell you how many times I bump up against the coil in my other planners, and it's a little bit annoying. So I really enjoy that about my Happy Planner. I also have the Louis Vuitton medium-size agenda. The same concept. You can take the pages out and create your spreads free from bumping into the coiling or the rings. So I just wanted to share that because I'm excited to share with you my newest planner. This is the Happy Planner, the monthly layout. But first things first, if you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D. I love all things planning. It's the simple things about planning that I really enjoy, as you can tell. So make sure that you go down and hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. So back to this planner. I gave a sneak peek of it in one of my recent planning videos, and I shared that I would do a more elaborate walkthrough. So today's video will include the walkthrough of this planner, plus some other planner goodies that I picked up from Michaels. So let's get started. I won't be able to show you the entire planner because I've already started to use it. I use this planner for my business operations. If you recall, some months back, I was using the Business Boutique business planner. I may have taken the video down, y'all, but that planner did not work well for me. I didn't find it to be a quality or well-made planner. The coils started to come undone. The boxes were super small. It wasn't as vibrant as other planner brands. So anyway, I discarded that planner. And now I went and purchased the Happy Planner. This is the monthly layout. I used to use this planner a lot back in the day. You'll see some of my older videos feature this planner. I'll probably link a few down in the description box of this video because the content is phenomenal if you are looking to content plan. But this time around, I am using this planner for business operations. The other planner, it got a little bit too hectic trying to plan my content schedule when I post vlogs, when I post on Instagram, tracking engagement and things like that. So I pulled apart the operational side of business, which is, you know, where the money resides, if y'all heard that song or whatever. But anywho, back to what I was saying. This planner I am using specifically for business operations. So with this, I'll go to the month of October because September already has things in it as well. I love how this planner starts out with like a notes and ideas section. So this again is for business operations. So the finances, the ideation, the project plans. This is great for charting out your ideas for the month. I do have some projects that I'm going to release. I'll share it here on YouTube in the coming weeks, perhaps maybe a month or so. But I am project planning to release some things, so stay tuned. So this is a great way for you to really oversee kind of your projects and what you need to do on a monthly basis. It does not have a weekly spread section. It does have more areas for you to do some high-level planning, which I really enjoy. You have your checklist, you can have a tracker, you have your goal section, so you have different types of areas to write in. On the back side, you can do your top 3 priorities, what you're thankful for, and it gives you kind of a grid section as well, kind of a bullet journal concept. And then when you get into the subsections of each month, it's just a task tracker. So I really like that it's not kind of a weekly spread. I love it for to-do lists. I love it for project planning. I can track my activities related to a specific task in this section, so it comes in handy for me. In the back, let's go to the back. There are some additional notes pages that you can use in the back of the planner. These will come in handy for just some high-level project planning as I go into 2022. So this planner is July 2021 all the way to December 2022. So it rounds out my planner collection. If I purchase or am gifted other planners, I'll share those here on YouTube more so for informational purposes, to share with my audience. I'll probably use some to demo different creative spreads and things of that nature, but this rounds out my planner collection for sure. And then I say that now and then you'll see another planner video, but that's neither here nor there. Work with me, guys. So this is my newest planner. It is the Happy Planner. I love Happy Planners. So currently in my collection, I have a Happy Planner. I have the Simply Yours Day Planner from Planned and Proper, which is more so for family. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. I also have the Erin Condren Life Planner, as well as another Erin Condren planner I use for work. I did another video with my complete Erin Condren haul. Make sure that you go check that out after this video. So those are the main planners that I have in my collection. So let's move on to some of the goodies that I purchased from Michaels. I purchased 2 sticker books. I'll start with these. So these sticker books, I saw them, I flipped through them in the store, and I love the color purple. It is my favorite color. So leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite color is. But it caught my attention because the main color scheme is purple. And it is the Fitness sticker book. This is a Happy Planner sticker book. I typically enjoy using their stickers. They work well in any planner. I won't be using this for the Happy Planner, obviously, because that's for business operations, but I will use these in my catch-all planner, which is my Simply Yours Day Planner. I love how it has just stickers to do kind of your meal tracking. It has your exercise sections. It has a meal. I did see a meal planner in here. Oh, meal plans. So I'm really excited to use these stickers. This is my newest sticker book. I'll probably get back into some weekly plan with me videos. Leave me a comment and let me know if you would be interested in those and the types of content you would like to see. And then this one is a habit sticker book. So it just says Good Habits. It is for the Happy Planner. Once again, these I will probably use in my Happy Planner because I love that it has the check-in sections. It has different goal stickers. Hopefully you can see them. I love how it has the gold lettering. It elevates the sticker quite a bit, makes it a little bit more chic, a little fancier. And then it has just some different habit tracking sticker sheets as well. Just some word stickers for important, victories. Oh, I like that. These caught my attention. I think that these are absolutely beautiful. I love the Happy Planner stickers. I feel like their sticker packs have come a long way from when Happy Planner first launched way back in the day. So I'm excited to see the brand grow and their stickers to evolve and for them to offer more options. The last thing that I purchased, and then I'll tell you how much everything costs, is a new pen. This is a fountain pen, and it's the Zebra brand. I saw it and I immediately thought about calligraphy, and my mom was here, my parents were here this weekend visiting, and my mom left a calligraphy book where she practiced calligraphy. So I want to acquire that. She gave the okay, but to start practicing some calligraphy, since I'm big on planning, I love pen and paper when it comes to planning. how cool would it be to incorporate some fancy lettering into my planner spreads, just to have an outlet and a burst of creativity as I'm planning. So I purchased this pen. I'm excited for it. I do have my Michaels receipt. There was a coupon available, so the pen was $5.99. What is this? Oh, I purchased my kids some things, sorry. So the planner sticker book was $15.99. And this one was also $15.99. So I used the coupon. I'm not sure what coupon the sales associate swiped for me, but she had some coupons just sitting at the cash register, and I asked her, hey, do you have some coupons? Coupons are the way to go. Never pay full price when you don't have to. So she swiped some coupons, and I was able to save on these books. I have seen them cheaper. I've seen them cheaper than the $15.99 that I paid. I'm not sure when these were released or what edition or collection these are from. So if you know, leave me a comment down in the description box. But I'm really excited to add these sticker books to my collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick Happy Planner haul, flip through and review of my newest planner, as well as the new sticker books that I purchased. Make sure that you hit subscribe. I want to make sure that you get the notifications of every time that I release a new video. And I would love to welcome you to my planner family. If you are not already subscribed, give this video a thumbs up. I will speak to you in the next one. Happy planning, guys.